Welcome guys, today we're going to do part 13, deriving x plus a times x plus b. Step 1 is solving the parentheses. So we'd have to do x times x plus x times b and a times x plus a times b. X times x is x squared plus x times b is bx plus a times x, which is ax, plus a times b, which is ab. So this is equal to, all of this is equal to x squared plus a plus b times x plus ab. Let me explain. So we know x squared and x squared are the same, and ab and ab are the same. So that leaves bx, ax, and ab times x. So bx and ax are basically a plus b times both of them times x. So this is basically the same thing as a plus b times x. So x, that would be ax plus bx, so ax plus bx. So a quick review. X plus a times x plus b is equal to x squared plus a plus b x plus ab. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.